We're going to begin with the next chapter of our syllabus, and that is the Pythagoras theorem. It's a comparatively easy theorem because you already know it since class 7. So I will ask you, what is Pythagoras theorem? This is a Greek theorem, correct? So Pythagoras used to live somewhere in 300 or 200 BC, and he used to teach his pupils along the beach on the sand and to make these diagrams. And he realized that in a right angled triangle, in a triangle with 90-degree angle, obviously in a triangle you'll have only one 90-degree angle, correct? He knew that the hypotenuse is the largest side, correct? But he did not define it as hypotenuse and perpendicular and base. If you look at the diagram currently in place of your screen, you'll find that there's nothing known as hypotenuse in this diagram. So वो क्या देखा? पाइथागोरस देखा कि जो सबसे बड़ा साइड था, अगर उस साइड को लेकर हम एक स्क्वायर बनाते हैं, इफ आई मेक अ स्क्वायर ऑन द लार्जेस्ट साइड, द एरिया ऑफ दैट स्क्वायर is equal to the sum of the areas of the other two squares. The area of the largest square is equal to the sum of the areas of the squares on the other two sides. यानी अगर हम लोग तीनों साइड को यूज करके एक एक स्क्वायर बनाएंगे, यानी इस स्क्वायर में ये लेंथ भी c होगा, यस और नो? इस स्क्वायर में ये लेंथ b होगा, इस स्क्वायर में ये लेंथ a होगा, करेक्ट? तो तीन स्क्वायर है, तीनों का अपना अपना एरिया है, तो जो बड़ा वाला स्क्वायर है उसका एरिया बाकी दोनों स्क्वायर का एरिया का सम से मैच करता है. तो हम लोग बोलेंगे इन a right angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse will have the same area as the squares on the other two sides. ठीक है? Now we name the largest side of a right angle triangle as the hypotenuse. We name it as the hypotenuse. So as long as you don't name it, you don't say that the largest side or the side opposite the 90 degree is the hypotenuse, you will not know कि वो hypotenuse है. So an application of this, मेरा theorem ऐसा कुछ है, तो इसका application ये हो जाता है. Do you understand? So an application of the Pythagoras theorem says that the hypotenuse square is equal to the squares of the sum of the squares of the perpendicular and the base. Clear? So अगर आपके पास एक ट्रायंगल है, अगर आपके पास एक ट्रायंगल है एंड उस ट्रायंगल को आप यूज करके हर एक साइड में एक स्क्वायर बनाते हैं, now you don't know whether this triangle is a right angle triangle. You don't know this angle, you are not able to measure this angle. ठीक है? So अगर ये P है, ये Q है, ये R है, then the area is P square, the area is Q square, the area is R square. So P square is equal to Q square plus R square. Do you agree? P square is equal to Q square plus R square. But if P square is equal to Q square plus R square, then the triangle is a right angled triangle. बात समझिए, if p square is equal to q square plus r square, then the triangle is a right angled triangle. Do you understand this? Please copy. The foot of a 10-meter long ladder leans against a vertical well, leaning against a vertical well is 6 meters away from the base of the wall. Find the height of the point on the wall where the top of the ladder reaches. So मेरे पास एक ladder है. So the ladder is leaning against a well. ठीक है, तो ये well का wall है and there is a ladder like this. ठीक है, ये 6 मीटर अवे है, ये 10 meters है. Now if we look at the diagram, so this is the diagram, this is the image that you should be forming in your mind, but this should be the diagram that should be used for the solution. So you don't have to draw that, you need to draw the green one. So A B C बनाएंगे. AC मेरा लैडर है, ये 10 मीटर का लेंथ है और ये 6 मीटर का लेंथ है. बोल रहा है कि ये हाइट किस हाइट में ये टच कर रहा है वॉल को. सो AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. तो 10 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस 6 स्क्वायर. AB square is equal to 100 minus 36. AB is equal to root over 64. है ना, यानी ये 8 meters होगा. That's your answer. Clear? Please copy. Next question. Okay. So two poles of height 6 meters and 11 meters stand on a plain ground. So poles stand vertically. एक 6 मीटर का है, एक 11 meters का है. Is the distance between their feet is 12 meters. यानी अगर यहाँ भी 12 है तो यहाँ ये वाला भी 12 meters है. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, ये निकालना. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टॉप्स, ये मांग रहा है. ठीक है, तो अगर ये AB है और ये CD है तो ये E ले लेते हैं. ड्रॉ DE पैरेलल टू BC. Therefore AE is equal to AB minus CD. ठीक है, I hope you understand why this is happening. So ये 11 minus 6 हो जाएगा यानी 5 centimeters हो जाएगा. In triangle ADE, angle E is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. है ना, ये hypotenuse है, ये perpendicular हम लोग ले सकते हैं और ये base ले सकते हैं. तो AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. AE कितना है, 5 meters है. ठीक है, AD is equal to root over 12 square plus 5 square, 144 plus 25, root over 169, यानी 13 meters. That is your answer. Please copy.